I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like if you my friend, if you my real friend, and you don't interact with my posts, my content, my pictures, and you're just sitting there watching, you're not clicking that like button, which takes 0.1 of a second, you're a hater. You're weird. Like, and people notice that shit. You're a weird bitch. Weirdo.
Start dropping content, like now. Whatever you got in your drafts, post them. Shut the fuck up. Let me talk. There are a lot of people that are waiting for the next you. There are a lot of people that are waiting for your content. They would like to enjoy, they would like to laugh, they would like to learn a lot of things. And you have a bunch of drafts. There's people here begging for money. Can you give me $2, $1? Can you give me? And they're getting TikTok famous. There's people here putting chocolate in the car and moving their chest like this. And you're scared? You want to be an influencer, you want to be a content creator, right? Okay. Drop them fucking posts that's just in your drafts. Like, come on. I was the same way. Exactly. Drop the motherfucking post. And I'm not playing. I better see some by next week. I'm not playing.
If somebody came to me and said, Jules, you can only give women one piece of advice, nothing else. Your channel on YouTube will be deleted. Your TikTok will be deleted. You cannot say anything else. This is your final message. What piece of advice would you give women? This advice is going to piss some of you off because you're tired of hearing it. You think people who say it don't get it. And there's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with that. Yada, yada, yada. But this is what I would say. If you have not achieved your goals and dreams, if you are not financially stable, if you are not consistently in therapy and actively and proactively working on yourself, you do not need to be worried about dating, relationships, marriage, and motherhood. I worked with this lady years ago when I was still kind of coming out of my pick-me phase, but I was still in it. And she said, get your house in order. And I looked at her crazy at the time. Didn't think she knew what she was talking about. I made all kinds of excuses. There's nothing wrong with wanting to date. There's nothing wrong with wanting a relationship. There's nothing wrong with that. It's normal. And men and dating consumed my life. It consumed it. I wasted so much time worrying about some man, making a relationship work. What do men want? What do men like? How to get him to text you back? How to get him to call you? Well, if I do this, then he might like me more. Well, I don't want to do this because it might piss him off. And when am I going to find the one? And am I ever going to get married again? And all the countless women who, I've been doing this for quite some time now. And all the women who have reached out to me who thought they met the man of their dreams, they got married, they quit their jobs, they got out of school, they gave up everything to raise the kids, and then the man just left them one day or cheated on them and they were left with nothing. Chase that dream of becoming an actress. Move to that city or state or country that you have always wanted to move to. Get your dream house. Get your dream apartment. Get your credit straight. Get that money saved. Go on that fitness journey. Do that thing. Take up that hobby. Don't fall for the lie that there's this race against this clock. And you have to get married before 26 and you have to do this before 25 and you got to do this before 30. No, the fuck you don't. Getting yourself in order and taken care of is the best gift that you can give to any child that you are thinking about having. It's the best gift that you can give someone that you are in a relationship with. And it puts you in the mindset of if you get with that person and they start fucking up, you're like, you know what? I didn't mind being single. I enjoy that shit. So I will be single again before I allow you to mistreat me. And do not listen to the exception to the rule people who were like, well, I gave up my dreams and me and my partner have been married for 25 years. Going strong. Most of them are lying. Most of them are describing a situation where they are just coexisting with a man as a happy situation. Most of them are describing happy, but what they're really talking about is the person just stayed. They just stayed. Nobody was willing to file for divorce. Live your life as if you will not be the exception, and statistically, you won't be. You will get into a relationship statistically, and you will not be treated right. Statistically, women are more likely to just settle before the sake of getting married and popping out some children. I've said this before, and I fucking said what I said, and I will gladly fight you on it because I was raised in the South and spent a lot of my young adulthood in Jersey, so I am that girl. I will tussle with you and I will win. Live your life as if marriage and babies are not on the table. Chase your dreams. Get yourself and your life in order. I said what I said.
Everybody told me you could be whatever you wanna be. So I told myself I'ma be a singer, I'ma play on the keys. I can do whatever I want if I just believe, yeah. But then over the years, everybody's telling me to find a career, and I'll be rolling my eyes, thinking I'll be alright with my guitar by my side. But now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid, and no, I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage, no. Money, 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 money. breathe. Why are we romanticizing, working 9 to 5 and stifling our dreams? They tell me think about the future, yeah, but what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that, but that's been where my mind. Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too. I wish I could go back and tell myself that life is gonna hit you hard. They say money won't buy you happiness, but being broke really ain't a good time. So all I want is just to get paid, and no, I ain't ashamed of trying to make a wage now. Money, 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 money.